Hello, good morning to everyone. This is Dr. Kausar Unnisa, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, PhD. In the previous classes, we have come across about the number system relating to the types of numbers, LCM in factorization and division, and the HCF under factorization and division method. Let us will go how these number system it will be useful in the business-oriented problems. So that is the topic. So here in this session, we are going to come across the learning outcome of the subject is to enable the students to find the relationship between HCF and LCM, and also in the session outcomes we have come across on the relationship of HCF and LCM problems. Let us then see the problem number 1, what they have been given. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 96 and 16 respectively. One of the number is 48, find the other. See, there is an equation that the product of two numbers is equals to the product of HCF and LCM. So H into L is equals to A into B is the equation. So here the given values are LCM equals 96 and HCF equals 16, and one of the number we can able to assume either A it as B. Here we have assumed the value of the number will be as A, then we are going to calculate the value of B. So we know that H into L is equals to A into B, or A into B is equals to H into L. We are calculating the value of B. So B is equals to H into L divided by A. So therefore B is equals to, we have substituted the values in the equation, that is 16 into 96 divided by 48. The value of the other number is 32. Therefore the number is 32. That is the answer. And the problem number 2, they have given if 13 is the HCF of two numbers whose product is 1690, find their LCM. Now we know that 13 is the HCF, means the HCF value is 13, and the product of two numbers A into B already they have been given, that is 1690. We have to calculate what is the value of LCM. The LCM is equals to A into B divided by HCF. Therefore, LCM equals 1690 divided by 13. The value of LCM is 130. Similarly, in the same manner, we are going to calculate problem number 3. That is, if 20 is the LCM value and two numbers of whose product is 100, find their HCF. Already in the given values A into B, the product of two numbers, that is A into B equals 100. L equals, that is nothing but LCM equals 20, and HCF equals how much? Now we are going to write the formula, that is HCF equals A into B divided by LCM. Therefore, HCF equals 100 by 20. The value of HCF is 5. And let us will see in the next question, that is find the greatest integer which divides 42 and 357. In the same manner, greatest integer is nothing but HCF. So 357 will be divided by 42 8 times. Then 336 will be the value. Then the remainder will be 21. Again, we have to calculate the value of HCF. So we should take with this reminder the dividend value, that is 42. Again, it divides with 2 times 21. The remainder will be 0. Now the greatest integer which is going to divide it is nothing but the HCF of 42 and 357. So that is the last number which is, if you keep on dividing the number, we got the remainder is 0, that is 21 is the value of the HCF. And see the next question. Here they have given, that is the least integer. Least integer is nothing but this LCM divisible by 18 and 24. So in the division method, we have calculated the value of LCM 18 and 24. 2 9s are 2 12s are. Again, 3 will not be divided, so we retain here. So 12 will be divisible by 2, so it is 6. Then 3 3s are 3 2s are 3 1s are. 2 retain as it is. 2 is a prime number, so it will be divided by 1, 2. So the factors of all these factors where we got the where we have divided this 18 and 24 will be the LCM value. So the least integer divisible by 18 and 24 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Therefore, the value is 72. Shall we go for the next thing? That is the MCQ questions they have given. So here the problem number 1, if the least common multiple of two numbers is 225 and the highest HCF is 5, then find the number which one of the number is 25. Substitute these values in the formula. Here we have to calculate, find the numbers where when one of the number is 25, they have given the LCM value is 225 and HCF value they have given, that is H into L divided by Either we considered as A or B. So B equals H into L divided by A, that is 25. Now then after finding out, the answer is 45. Among these two options, the answer is 45. And the next question, here they have given, that is the greatest number of four digits which is divisible by 15, 25, 40, 75. We have to calculate the HCF for these four numbers, either in division or factorization method. Then the answer for these four options, for this question, among these four options, 9600 is the answer. And the next, the third question in MCQ, that is the LCM of two numbers is 14,560 and HCF is 13. One of the number is 416, find out the other. Substitute the values in the equation formula, then we'll get the value. Answer is 455. And the next is, what least possible four-digit number when divided 12, 14, 16 and 18 leaves remainder as 2. We need to calculate the number where the remainder will be the 21. The answer is 1461. And what leaves number when divided by 36, 24 and 16 leaves 11 as a remainder in each case. Then we have to find out the LCM for these. Then the number among this option is 155. So this is how to calculate the problems on LCM and HCF in the business application. Thank you.